Hello my loves, welcome back to a really exciting video. It is my 300k giveaway. Plus I have a very special announcement as well. So if I'm looking a little bit tired, it's because I just got back from Korea, but I quickly wanted to film this video because I did not want to delay the celebrations any longer. I mean, we're already on 304k, so thank you so much. So before we get into the giveaway details, I do have a very exciting announcement for you. And let me tell you about that now. So basically, you guys know I work with Farfetch, right? This video is not sponsored by Farfetch, but they have asked me as a friend of Farfetch to be the first Australian YouTuber to host an intimate, super exclusive dinner. So you guys know that I'm a Farfetch private client, and I think their access program, which is like their rewards program, is like second to none. Anyway, they are giving the opportunity to 10 of my followers to become Farfetch private clients. So normally to become a Farfetch private client, you've got to spend like $15,000 or over a year. And what I love about Farfetch, and I've told you this before, one of my favorite things that you get as a private client is the personal fashion concierge service. So you guys know that I got my Fendi sequin baguette and my limited edition Lunar New Year baguette only because I asked Farfetch concierge to source it for me, because one, I couldn't get in Australia, and two, it actually saved me a few $100s because they have sources all over the world and they found it cheaper for me. So that's my favorite feature of being a private client. But get this, so 10 of you will get the opportunity to be fast-tracked to the Farfetch private client status. Not only do you get the fashion concierge service, but you get free shipping, you get personal edits, you get access to a private stylist where you can ask advice, you get early access to sales. Plus 10 of you also, by getting this Farfetch private client access, you actually get a one-off voucher where you can save $400 Australian just by spending 1,500 Australian dollars, which is a huge discount. So this status will remain for 1 year, and it's a great opportunity to try out Farfetch private client service without, that threshold amount. So how amazing is that? So basically you get fast track to be a Farfetch private client. Secondly, you get to come with me to an intimate dinner held at one of the most gorgeous fine dining restaurants in Melbourne, which is Society. We get this luxurious private dining room to ourselves. And it is going to be an intimate 4-course dinner. So it's on the 24th of August at 7 p.m. So it is open to obviously all my Melbourne followers, but if you are in Australia and you're going to be down in Melbourne on that date, of course you are welcome to enter as well. All my guests that do attend, not only will you have a 4-course gorgeous meal, but you will also be getting a luxurious gift, which I've seen. It is beautiful. So you're going to get that. Okay, so let me tell you the conditions. So first of all, on my Instagram post, all you need to do is make sure you follow me. Secondly, comment your email address and that you love to come and whether you're a gold or platinum member. So just check your access rewards and see what level you're on. But I think for gold level, it's like a 2,500 spend a year, because we want to reward those of you that already do shop at Farfetch. Plus, you're going to get a special invite to come with me to the Murray cocktail event 2 nights later. So that's going to be on a Friday night where, it will just be an evening of glam. The dress code is cocktail, and you get to see all the beautiful product and have drinks and canapes. So it's like so many goodies. It is just so exciting because I can't believe I'm the only one to be able to co-host this. I've worked with Farfetch for many years now, at least 4 years. So I'm so honored and grateful that they're giving this opportunity to my followers. So how exciting exciting is that? So I'll have all the details in my Instagram post. So if you're interested, make sure you go over and comment and read through it thoroughly. And I just think it's going to be such a good night because not only, yeah, you get all the private client status and everything, but I get to spend time with 10 of you eating delicious food. You know, guys know food makes me happy. And we can just spend the night eating, drinking, and chatting away. And that is my very exciting announcement. Okay, so let's get to the 300K giveaway. So, you know, in a recent video, I had asked you, do you prefer one major prize, which was the LV Alma BB, or would you prefer 3 prizes? So they were both around $3,500 Australian in terms of value. And approximately, I would say 70 to 80% of you picked 3 prizes because you're like, we love the LV Mel, but sharing is caring. Let's give the fam more chance to win prizes. So that's exactly what I'm doing. So first prize is going to be the LV Pochette Accessoire. Now, this is sold out on the Australian website for sure. I know in the US it is such a hard bag to get. It was the first designer bag I had. This is a brand new one that is mine, but if worst comes to worst, I'm happy to give you mine and then purchase another one. But I have put in a request for one. It's just a matter of waiting because these are just getting harder and harder to get. So the value of this is 1,000, I believe 1,800 Australian dollars. So it does come, it's all new. Look, I still have the little barcode in there. It has the strap, of course, which is brand new. You can see the vachetta is super light. So I have not used this just, you know, in case I can't get another one, but I'm pretty sure I can, as I said. So first prize is going to be this gorgeous pochette accessoire, or the first prize winner can pick $1,500 AUD PayPal cash. So first prize winner can pick either this or the 1,500 AUD PayPal cash. And second prize is another one of my favorites, which you guys absolutely love, is the YSL monogram pouch. Now, I have told you so much about this pouch. Even though it does come with a wristlet strap, what I love to do is, and you know I created an insert for this, is that you can buy this insert, which I have, and then attach any gold chain. You can buy these anywhere and it becomes a bag. So the second prize winner, this is my one, but they can pick black, like mine, black and gold. You can never go wrong. They can pick white or camel, basically whatever is in stock. So they can pick the color of their choice. I really recommend black and gold though, but that's up to the winner. And that's worth 1,050 or 1,075 Australian dollars. And then I said the third prize, originally it was going to be a surprise vintage bag. But guys, I have just had no time since I've been away in Korea to look for one. So I actually happened to find this in a consignment store in Melbourne. It is pre-loved. It's not vintage, but it came brand new with tags. I actually owned one of these, which I gave to my sister, and I love it. And it comes in this box. So originally it doesn't come in a box, but this is my own box, which I'll give to the winner. By the way, of course, this is going to come in box. This will come in box because they're brand new. But this one is brand new. It's just from a consignment store. And this is such a cute piece. So obviously you saw it's from Prada. And this is the Prada Re-nylon pouch. And this actually fits a ton. It does come with a wristless strap, but I love this because Prada's still selling this, but you can't get the red anymore. And I love the pop of color. You know me, I love a pop of color, but you know, it doesn't just have to be used as a pouch. If you attach, which you can buy from Amazon or Etsy, 2 D-rings like this and any chain that you want, I've just got a silver chain here, you can actually turn this into a bag. Let me show you quickly. So basically they have 2 metal rings here and you just loop the O-ring through that. See, so that's one. Okay, so I have just put the O-rings there, and like I said, you can attach any chain you want, and then voila, it becomes a bag. I love a two-in-one, so I love that it can be used as a pouch or as a bag. Plus, it is a great unisex piece. So this bag is valued at about $875 now. It retails that in Prada. I did end up buying it for a little bit cheaper, which I was really happy with because I really wanted to get something else besides black. So that will be the three prizes. First prize, the LV Pochette Accessoire or 1,500 AUD PayPal cash. Second prize, the YSL monogram pouch in the winner's choice of color, depending what's on stock. And then third prize being this gorgeous Prada new with tags pouch in the gorgeous red. So how good is that? So all you need to do is 1, follow me on YouTube, click that bell and hit all notifications to give this video a thumbs up, and 3, comment what is your favorite prize from my 300k giveaway. And remember to leave your IG name or your email so it's easier for me to contact you if you do win. Don't put any underscores or symbols when you do write your email or your IG handle. So for example, John_Smith, just write it as this. Also, guys, if anyone replies to your comment on this YouTube video or any of my YouTube videos asking you to WhatsApp them or Telegram them saying that you have been shortlisted as one of the winners, they are scam accounts. So please be careful. Just block and report them. And likewise, guys, I only have one Instagram account. So be careful of those private accounts or other accounts that may seem like it's me. It's not me. They are also scam accounts. So please block and report them too. So the giveaway is open worldwide. Those are the YouTube entries, which is mandatory. If you want extra entries, you can also follow me on Instagram for bonus entries. And all you need to do is make sure you follow me, like the video, and just comment which is your favorite prize. So I will leave all the instructions in the comments bar below. So make sure you do check that out, and in the pinned comments. I will leave this giveaway open for 3 weeks, and then I will pick 3 lucky winners for my 300k giveaway. So that is it for this video, guys. I'm so excited to announce that Farfetch exclusive private dinner to host 10 of you, plus we get to attend another cocktail event together, and then obviously to give 3 of you the opportunity to win 3 designer bags. So I hope you love the prizes. I love celebrating with you. I love giving back. I would not be here without you. So a big thank you, and lots of hearts from me to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye, guys.